Hello, John.
Hello, Sarah.
How are you today?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am good. I feel happy today.
That is nice. Why are you happy?
I want to improve my English.
That is a great idea. I also want to improve my English.
Really?
Yes, really. English is important.
Yes, English is very important. We need English for work.
Yes, and for travel too.
And for talking to people.
Yes, people from different countries.
So, what can we do?
We can learn together.
That is a good idea.
Yes, we can practice every day.
Every day?
Yes, every day. A little every day.
That sounds good.
We can start now.
Yes, let's start now.
First, we can say simple sentences.
Okay.
I am John.
I am Sarah.
I am a father.
I am a mother.
We are a family.
Yes, we are a family.
We want to learn English.
We want to speak English.
We want to understand English.
We want to read English.
And we want to write English.
Yes, all of that.
Let's learn words.
Yes, simple words.
Book,
Book,
pen,
pen,
table,
table,
chair.
chair.
Good,
Good.
very good.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
This is fun.
Yes, learning can be fun.
Let's learn more.
Okay,
What is this?
this is a book.
What is that?
That is a chair.
Is this a pen?
Yes, it is a pen.
Is that a table?
Yes, it is a table.
Good.
Very good.
I like this.
Me too.
Let's practice questions.
Yes.
What is your name?
My name is John.
What is your name?
What is your name?
My name is Sarah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I am from Senegal.
I am from Senegal too.
That is nice.
Yes.
Where do you live?
I live in Dakar.
I live in Dakar too.
Good.
Good job.
You too.
Let's learn days.
Yes.
Monday,
Tuesday.
Wednesday,
Thursday.
Friday,
Saturday.
Sunday.
Good.
Today is Friday.
Yes. Today is Friday.
Tomorrow is Saturday.
Yes.
Yesterday was Thursday.
Good.
Let's talk about daily life.
Yes.
I wake up at 7.
I wake up at 6.
I eat breakfast.
I drink coffee.
I go to work.
I go to work too.
I come home in the evening.
I come home at night.
I cook food.
I eat dinner.
I watch television.
I read a book.
I sleep.
I sleep too.
That is our day.
Yes, that is our day.
Let's speak more English.
Yes, more practice.
Do you like English?
Yes, I like English.
Why?
Because it is useful.
Yes, it is useful.
Do you study every day?
Yes, I study every day.
That is very good.
Do you study every day?
Yes, I try to study every day.
Good.
Let's learn verbs.
Yes.
Eat,
Eat.
drink,
Drink.
go,
Go.
come,
Come.
se,
Se.
sai.
Sai.
Good.
Very good.
Let's make sentences.
Yes.
I eat food.
I drink water.
I go to school.
I come home.
I see you.
I say hello.
Great.
This is helpful.
Yes, very helpful.
Sometimes English is difficult,
Yes, sometimes.
but we can learn.
Yes, we can learn.
We must practice.
Yes, practice is important.
Practice every day.
Yes, every day.
Even 10 minutes.
Yes, even 10 minutes.
Let's make a plan.
Good idea.
Morning 10 minutes.
Afternoon, 10 minutes.
Evening 10 minutes.
That is 30 minutes.
Yes, 30 minutes a day.
That is good.
We can listen.
We can speak.
We can read.
We can write.
All 4 skills.
Yes, all 4.
Listening, speaking, reading, writing.
Good.
Let's continue.
Yes.
What do you do in the morning?
I wake up and drink coffee.
I wake up and eat bread.
What do you do in the afternoon?
I work.
I work too.
What do you do in the evening?
I relax.
I relax too.
Let's use English at home.
Yes, at home.
We can say, good morning.
We can say, good evening.
We can say, good night.
Yes.
We can speak simple English.
Every day.
With family.
With friends.
That helps.
Yes, that helps.
Do not be afraid.
Yes, do not be afraid.
It is okay to make mistakes.
Yes, mistakes are okay.
Mistakes help us learn.
Yes, they help us.
We learn step by step.
Yes, step by step.
Slow but sure.
Yes, slow but sure.
We can do it.
Yes, we can do it.
I feel better now.
May too.
English is not so hard.
No, it is not so hard.
We just need practice.
Yes, just practice.
Let's continue tomorrow.
Yes, tomorrow.
Same time?
Yes, same time.
Good.
Thank you, John.
Thank you, Sarah.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Hello again, John.
Hello, Sarah.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Let's learn more.
Yes.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
My favorite color is red.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is rice.
My favorite food is chicken.
Good.
Let's keep learning.
Yes, let's never stop.
Never stop learning.
Never stop practicing.
We will improve.
Yes, we will improve.
Together.
Together.